Hey guys, thanks so much for coming by my YouTube channel. My name is Avissa and I run a design build practice in Toronto. I've been working in the industry for over 20 years and I absolutely love what I do. I'm obsessed with color and texture and just seeing a space come to life, and I would not want to do anything else. And that's the truth. This is not a lie, it's real. What can you expect by following along? Some behind the scenes at construction sites. I love going to sites, that's where the magic happens, and I will just give you guys some pointers on what to keep an eye out for, what you do not want to miss, and different versions of how things can map out, from our soapboxes to our lighting layouts to where and where not to install mirrors and what heights you should be considering for installations. Should you tile your entire bathroom, all of the walls, one wall, feature walls, where to end your feature walls. Lots of movement, lots of hand motion. Being on site is going to be really important because honestly, the worst thing that I would want to happen for anyone is that you've gone through a renovation, spent all this time and money, and then you're in the tub and you're like, where on earth am I putting my shampoo? There is no niche. So I don't want that to happen. It's not the end of the world, but it might be, right? Like we want to prevent these scenarios. Unrelated, I also love golf. You might see some golf videos. Please do not follow along for golf instructions because it'll be a fail. Perhaps I will inspire you to take up some golf lessons because it's like, honestly, it's meditation for me when I'm not frustrated because I can't hit the ball. But outside of that, it's really fun. You're out in nature and it's just like a great way to spend the day. Yeah, thank you so much. Please subscribe, follow along. I'm so excited to have you along on this journey with me, and I will share everything I know and everything I love about design. Hopefully that will inspire you to do something for your own home, and if you need anything else or if you want to learn about something, just let me know. I can definitely help you out. Thanks so much and stay tuned.